This video brought to you by Auxito. Alright, the cool people of Auxito have sent me these LED lights for this. The wonderful people from Auxito have sent me these lights. This is HB4 for this 2006 GMC Yukon because I'm having lighting issues. The current lights I have don't put out enough output, so I can't see what I need to see at night, or I should say the boss can't see what she needs to see at night. So we're going to go through an installation installing your headlights on a 2000 to 2006 Chevy Tahoe Suburban, GMC Yukon, Yukon XL, or even the Cadillac Escalade. And you see, I've got my helper with me. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll do this from start to finish for you. So the first step is to pop your hood. If you open up the door, just inside the driver footwell, you'll see the hood release right there. Pull that back. You'll hear it click.
It clicked. It clicked. It clicked.
Reach just inside of here, and there is a lever that you will lift up. So I can get in there so you can see it. That lever right there. Lift the push up. The hood will release, and GM was kind enough to put springs on either side of the hinges for this hood, so it will hold itself up. There's no need for a prop rod. That's your first step. Now, in many cases, some of these vehicles have a modified airbox in which you can access the headlight, which is on the outside from behind, but in the factory case, you cannot access the headlight. So we're going to be removing the headlight assembly on the passenger side, as well as on the driver's side, and there's a battery behind here on the driver's side, so it also makes it difficult to access those. Okay, so accessing the driver headlight, as far as removal, there are two pins at the very top, which I think you can see there. These two pins on either side, you'll pull these pins forward, like so, and then lift up. They should slide right out. If they don't, you have to give them a little bit of a wiggle. They'll come out like so. And then you can slide your headlight assembly out to the front. A little twist, a little wiggle, and it comes right up out of there. Now, on some models, don't mind all these extra wires here. It's for my DRLs. But your headlamp is right here. In most cases, if you have a factory bulb, you can just twist this counterclockwise and it will come right out. Or clockwise, depending on how your bulbs are installed. So in the case of some of these lights, like these, you'll have to remove this bracket. You have to remove these screws back here. These two, those two. They may be a 7mm or 5.5mm in this case, these are Phillips screws. We'll back those out, move this bracket out of the way so we can access the lamp. Which is what you say, speed it up. Okay, get those two. So people don't get bored watching me go, I turn the screw, I turn the screw, I turn the screw. So we just lift that up just loose enough, and to remove this connector, all you do is put your thumb under these tabs, pull it up, and it pops and separates like so. We'll get our old lamps out of there. These are just some generics that I found online of something. Not really sure what brand these are. We're going to open up the 9006 HB4 Auxito lamps. Auxito always has nice packaging here. As you can see, let's open this up. Look at that. Not only do they have very nice lamps, but they got these nice gloves to protect your lamp as you install it so you don't get your grease or oil from your fingers on the lamp and destroy the bulb. Some zip ties to clean up your wire work, some two-sided tape, a couple O-ring gaskets. So if you wonder when you look, it's like, why are these lights so much, or why do they cost so much? It's because they are really high quality. See the nice aluminum housing here, cooling fans on the back, and you can see how nice that light is. Super nice. Also looks like we have a load resistor in there. That'll be what I would assume is going on here. If it's wrong, I'll put it on the screen. And they also have polarity tabs that show you which side is positive, which side is negative, which is great. Now, these gloves are probably way too small for my big hands. Alright, you can hold this?
Yeah.
Got it? Alright. Thank you.
You got that both.
Alright. I'll plug our lamp in here. Now, on your light assembly, on the vehicle, the black wire is your ground or your negative, and then the brown or opposite color is going to be your positive. So we'll line up those polarity tabs. Clicks in. Alright, there you have it. Those are the Auxito HB4s. Special thanks to my helper for helping me get these installed. Thank you, Auxito, for sending over these LED lights. Super, super cool. I definitely like these lights.
Yeah.
The output looks to be far greater than what I had previously. So we'll find out. I'll report back from the boss and put something in either at the end of this video or in videos to come. But I've been very happy with the Auxito products. We ran these in our 2015 or 16 Yukon. They did an excellent job. I actually ran it for a couple years, had no problems at all, and they actually went with the vehicle when we decided to part ways with it. So if you want a high quality LED headlight that will get the job done continually, I definitely recommend Auxito. There will be a link in the description and a link at the top of the screen where you can get your set of Auxito lights. I'm sure there'll be a promo code. I'll put it down here across the bottom of the screen. My name's Erwin. This Thrills in a Block. We're giving back what time has taken away. We'll see you soon.